BT digital phones use your broadband internet to make calls. If it's not ringing, the issue usually stems from volume settings, ringer configurations, or network connectivity problems. We'll guide you through fixing these common causes with AI diagnostics that were introduced in 2024 that can help resolve these issues. First, make sure the volume isn't set too low or muted. Check the handset's volume controls and the BT Smart Home app. Even smart integrations can sometimes inadvertently mute your ringer. Ensure Do Not Disturb mode is off as well. A 2025 Ofcom report shows 35% of ringing failures are due to volume issues. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches affecting your BT digital phone. Power cycle both your BT digital phone and your BT Smart Hub 2 router by unplugging them, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. This fundamental troubleshooting step is advised by BT and clears temporary issues. In late 2024, BT released firmware version 5.2 for its Smart Hub, which includes autofix algorithms designed to detect and resolve ringer malfunctions automatically. BT digital phone requires a stable broadband connection. Ensure you have at least 2 PS upload speed. Latency or packet loss can delay or prevent ringing. Use BT's online speed test tool to verify your connection speed. The BT Smart Home app, updated in Q3 2025, features a ringer test tool that simulates a call to diagnose ringing problems. User trials show an 85% success rate in identifying and fixing issues. Rural broadband users often experience higher failure rates with BT digital phone not ringing, primarily due to weaker Wi-Fi signals in remote areas. One solution is to relocate your router to a central location in your home for optimal signal distribution. Enable mesh Wi-Fi by using multiple access points to extend coverage and reduce dead zones in larger rural properties. Address potential signal interference from nearby appliances by identifying and relocating sources of electromagnetic interference. As demonstrated in a 2025 case study, a farmer in Cornwall resolved ringing failures by relocating the router and enabling mesh Wi-Fi to overcome signal interference. If you've tried these steps and your phone still isn't ringing, it's time to contact BT support. There might be a more complex issue, such as a firmware problem or a blocked number. BT support data from 2025 indicates that 60% of resolved tickets involve ringer toggles or restarts. But for more complicated problems, it's best to reach out.